Hello friends, welcome back. Today I'm going to be sharing a chai recipe with you that I have experimented with over the years to get it just right. I actually really love the Cafe de Vida chai. It's one of my all-time favorites, but this can get expensive and this little bottle goes really fast. So like I said, I've experimented, added a little of this, taken away a little of that over the years and got a recipe down that I think is perfect. So I'm going to share it with you. Real quick, if you like these type of videos, make sure and hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I would love to get to know you better. So make sure and also subscribe. So let's get right to that recipe. Okay, so the first thing I want to say is I normally have my recipe down in the description box below, but I always have so many people asking, where's the recipe? So I'm going to try it like this and see if it makes it a little bit easier. But yeah, you'll notice that I'm using store brand products. I don't think that you always have to go with name brand to get the best flavor. Some things you do, some things you don't. I feel like with the coffee creamers, the powdered coffee creamers, they're just as good as name brand. And yeah, they work perfectly for this. I do feel like this is the perfect blend for a creamy, spicy chai tea. And I would suggest to try my recipe how it is. If it needs more of something or less, maybe you don't like that much clove or cardamom, maybe you want more cinnamon, then you can alter it to your taste. And it does have the tea mixed in it, but you could add this to coffee as well. And it's a really, really good, flavorful, creamy, dirty chai. So yeah, I really hope you enjoy this recipe. I have worked on it for many years and I feel like it's perfect, and that's why I'm sharing it with you now. So you'll notice that I'm sifting this instant tea. That isn't necessary, but I feel like some things really need to be sifted. I really should have sifted the brown sugar, but I didn't. So to avoid any lumps, then definitely sift it. So you'll see that I'm adding 3 heaping teaspoons to the size of a cup. That's just how I do it. You can add as much as you want to a cup, but it's perfect. I just put it in a jar, and this amount would last me all year. I hope you love it as much as I do. Okay, how easy was that? And like I said, it tastes almost 100% like the Cafe de Vida. And I love it so much, especially on rainy days. And today is a rainy day. There's nothing better than a perfect vanilla chai. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Of course, as always, I hope you're having a great day, and I will talk to you next time. Bye-bye for now.